Hi, good day everyone. My name is Jim, founder of JT Techtronics Sdn Berhad. We are the LED display design and manufacture house. This is the customized LED production counter display panels, where you can see that there is a 4-digit for plan hanger, actual hanger and actual jig. Each of them character size is 110 mm, and the height of the display is 850 mm, and the width of the display is 690 mm. So how we take the efficiency? The efficiency is based on the calculation, the customized calculation is actual jig divided by actual hanger, so we get the efficiency. So for the waist hanger is actual hanger minus actual jig plus plan hanger minus actual hanger, so divide by plan hanger. The calculation I will show in the video below. So after that, you can get the calculation of waist hanger. So to start the demonstration today, this is the actual hanger. You can connect the sensors over here. So every time the actual hanger go through, it will trigger an actual jig as well. So to go into the setting, press and hold the mode button. So this one, the first button will be 1110 and 1. So once you did the setting, press and hold again to go to that. So to reflect the calculation below, I will change the value. So 100, you can see that it's immediate effect. So you can see that this is an error because that the actual jig is impossible more than the actual hanger. So we can reduce the quantity. So you can see that 95%. So press and hold again. This is how it looks like. If you like my video, help us to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.